In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a project on Netlify. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Netlify, you want to go to the Projects tab on the left-hand side, and then you want to click on Add New Project at the top right over here, and then you hand select whichever one you want to choose. You could either import an existing project, start from a template, or deploy manually. So you want to click on Deploy Manually over here, which is the bottom option, and then you want to drag and drop your files. So of course, as you can see here, it can be HTML, CSS, and JS files. So whichever you want to do, I have some HTML files over here because I've just downloaded the zip version. Let me just actually put that in here. There we go. I downloaded them, the files from bold.new over here, but of course you can do from wherever you want, and then just deploy it like this. It's going to say deploy in progress, and then over here it's going to basically go ahead and go through everything, and then you'll be able to see it if you go over here on your projects tab. Your new thing is going to be inside here, and you've successfully deployed your project. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.